For this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fill out the G-chart for this worksheet. The first thing you have to do is click on the T-chart. Alright, once you click on it, the little edit button right here will show up. So go ahead and click on the edit button. Once you click on the edit button, this will pop up. Alright, once this pops up, all you have to do to start typing is just double click on the text box, just like this. And then you could type in here. To type on the other side, all you have to do is also just double click and start typing away. If it looks like you don't have enough room or typing too much, all you have to do is just highlight it. Go over here to these three dots over here, and you could change the font size. You guys can also choose a smaller font by clicking over here and making it smaller that way too. Alright. Remember, in order to complete this worksheet, you have to include 3 bullet points on each side. Once you're done with 3 bullet points on each side, all you have to do is just click Save and Close. And all your work will pop up here just like that.